Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we study about the phrases. Before that, I request you, if you like my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, in this session we study about the phrases. Phrases. A phrase is made up of a group of words. It is a group of words to convey some meaning, but it does not make complete sense by itself. Phrases made up of group of word that make sense but not complete sense. It does not have a subject and a predicate. Here are some example. My elder sister is a famous doctor. My elder sister is first phrase and is a famous doctor is second phrase. There are two phrases in the above sentence. The first phrase, my, you all know, possessive adjective, elder. Qualify the noun, this is adjective. Common noun, sister is common noun. This is our first phrase. The second phrase, auxiliary verb is. Article A, famous, which qualify the noun. Famous word is qualify the noun doctor. That is adjective and doctor is common noun. These group of words convey some meaning but do not make complete sense by themselves. Therefore, these group of words are called phrases. Here are some features also we remember about the phrases. Phrases do not have subject or predicate. They cannot stand by themselves. Phrases do not make complete sense. Now we study about the types of phrases. Phrases are made by combining different types of words into a group. There is always a particular word around which a group of words or a phrase is formed. The word that play a central role in a phrase is called the main word or the head of a phrase. What type of phrase it is depends on the main word or head of the phrase. Here are some examples with the help of which we understand. The first two books, you all know this is the definite article. First, ordinal word. Two, cardinal. Books, this is common noun. In this list are very good. In is a preposition, this demonstrative, list noun, and are is auxiliary verb, and very intensifier, and good adjective. Good, which qualifies the noun book. The first two books, the first two, we say pre modifier, and the in this list is comes in the post modifier. This is called the noun phrase. In the phrase, the first two books in this list, the common noun book gives out the main information. That is what you read the phrase. You know that someone is talking about books. The words, the first two in this list, give you additional information about the common noun, which is the word of a common noun, books. These words help you specify the books that the speaker is referring to. Since books play a central role in this phrase, it is the main word, as the main word of the above phrase is a noun. It is a noun phrase. Now, the noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. Here are some examples. In this, all the colored group of words are doing the work of a noun. Hence, they are called noun phrases. In the first sentence, an apple is an object of the verb wanted. He wanted what? An apple. This is a noun phrase. In the sentence two, to perform on the stage. This group of word answer the question, loves what? He loves what he loves. to perform on the stage. It is an object again. In the sentence 3, going to movie is the subject of the verb is. In the fourth sentence, to act with patience is again the subject of the verb is. Only a noun or a pronoun can be the subject or object of a verb. Here, remember this. These are some example of the noun phrase. Now, the next is adjective phrases. A phrase that act as an adjective is called an adjective phrases. You know about the adjective which qualifies the noun or pronoun. For example, this bat is made of wood. She was wearing a necklace made of pearls. An adjective phrase in the above two sentences could be written as an adjective also. Here the made of wood in the first sentence is explaining about the bat. So it is a phrasal adjective phrase. And made of pearls. What made of pearls? Which thing is made up of pearl? Necklace. She was wearing a necklace. Here the noun is necklace. And the adjective phrase is made of pearls. Describe the noun. Modifies the noun necklace. This is a wooden bat. She was wearing a pearls necklace. Here it is behave like a adjective also. Here are some adjective in the box. A man, a kind man. This is simple adjective. Here qualifies the man, kind. But in a phrases, adjective phrases, a man full of kindness. A cruel animal, an animal of cruel nature. A gold necklace, a necklace made of gold, adjective phrase. A generous man, उदार पुरुष है. A man of generosity. Of generosity is an adjective phrase. A woolen dress. Here describe the dress, simple word woolen. But here a dress made of wool. This is an adjective phrase. Foreign goods. Good made in a foreign country. Made in a foreign country is an adjective phrase. Adjective phrases must be placed close to the noun. They describe, otherwise the sentence will look funny. Now the next is adverbs and adverbial phrases. First we study about the adverb phrases. A group of words that act as an adverb in a sentence is called an adverb phrase. You all know about the adverb which qualifies verb, adjective and adverb itself. In the first sentence, it is very cold in winter. What he describes? Very cold in winter. Here the in winter is a adverb phrases. My mother is working in the kitchen. Describing here the working in the kitchen. In the kitchen is the adverb describing the word working. She behaved in a rude manner. In a rude manner described, this is a adverb describing the behaved verb. So it is a adverb phrases. There are three types of adverb phrases. Type adverb of time, adverb of place and adverb phrase of manner. Now she goes abroad annually. When we talk when the action has done. When the action is done, adverb of time. The time of action is called the adverb of time. Here the annually. In the evening. This is the adverb of time. She goes abroad every year. This is simple adverb phrase. He works carefully. Adverb of manner. He works but carefully. This is a word describe the manner, the action in which manner it is taken place, it is done. He works with care, adverb phrase. This is simple adverb phrase. She is sitting there. We are looking for apple at every possible place. This is the example of adverb of place. When we talking about the where the action is done. When we talking about the place, this is called the adverb of place. She is sitting at that place, adverbial place. Here are some list. Here, this is simple adverbs. When we use as a adverb phrases in this place. Now, at this moment, briefly in a short time. An adverbial phrase is any phrase or a group of words which does the work of an adverb in a sentence. These might include prepositional phrases. Let us replace some adverb with the adverbial phrases. There, across the street. This is an adverbial phrases. Yesterday, on Wednesday. Here, the on Wednesday are adverbial phrases. We use in this sentence, in any sentence, as a adverbial phrases. Often, every now and then, annually, once a year. These are the some words we use in a sentence as a adverbial phrases. For example, they moved to a new flat the previous week. We don't say last week. Previous week. This is an adverbial phrase which qualifies the they moved. This is a verb. A verb phrase is one in which the main word is a verb. You all know about the verb. An action word is called a verb. For example, she has been working all the day. In the phrase has been working, the main word in the present participle. Present participle form of the verb work, that is working. This is the present participle. The auxiliary verb has and been help the main verb to convey the time of the action expresses. This is called a verb phrases. A propositional phrase is one in which the main word is a preposition. A preposition phrase can be formed by combining a preposition with an object. It may be noun, pronoun or a noun phrase. Suppose in the garden. In here is the prepositional word. Next to her. Propositional phrase add extra information to a sentence. They perform two kind of function. First, they modify the noun or pronoun and do the work of adjectives. For example, here the brown cottage. Here the noun phrase is the brown cottage. Behind the park. Now the behind the park describes the noun phrase. So it is the prepositional phrase. Belong to my aunt. The brown cottage behind the park belong to my aunt. Behind the park describe the noun phrase. Here it is the noun phrase is the brown cottage. And the prepositional phrase is behind the park. In the second sentence, they modify an adjective or verb and do the work of an adverb. He struggled up the steep slope. Here, up the steep slope modify the verb struggled. Struggled is a verb and the preposition phrase is up the steep slope. I hope you better understand the phrases and kinds of phrases. Thank you and subscribe my channel.